Hello everyone, Namaskar. In last part we have seen how to solve practice set 3.1 question number 1 and 2. आपण या व्हिडिओ मध्ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 आणि 4 कसा सोडवायचा हे बघणार. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Segment RM and RN are tangent segments of a circle with center O. Prove that segment OR bisects angle MRN as well as angle MON. What we have? RM and RN are tangent segments. These are tangent segments, RM and RN. Then what to prove? Segment OR bisects angle MRN as well as angle MON. This we have to prove. That means actually what we have to prove? We have to prove angle MRO. This angle is congruent, MRO congruent to NRO, congruent to angle NRO, and second MOR congruent to angle NOR. This actually we have to prove, right? Now let us start proof. So here this is triangle OMR and this is triangle ONR. In triangle OMR and triangle ONR, we can prove these two triangles congruent, and we know test SAS, SSS, SAA, ASA there. So here in triangle OMR and in triangle ONR, what we have? Segment RM congruent to segment RN. RM is congruent to RN. Why they are congruent? Because we have seen in previous videos tangent segment drawn from external point are congruent. This is tangent segment theorem. Then segment OM congruent to segment ON. Why it is so? OM congruent to OM. These are the radii of same circle. काय आहेत हे? रेडियस आहे दोन्ही पण, आणि म्हणून इथे रिझन आहे रेडिई ऑफ सेम सर्कल. सेम सर्कल. त्यानंतर या दोन ट्रायंगल मध्ये ही कॉमन साइड आहे. सेगमेंट OR congruent to segment OR common side. आणि म्हणून काय होईल? Therefore we can say this side is congruent to this side, this one to this, and this is common side, and therefore we can say triangle OMR congruent to triangle ONR by which test? SSS. By SSS test, and we know when two triangles are congruent then remaining parts are also congruent. Then we can say that this MRO congruent to NRO. Therefore MRO congruent to angle NRO. These are corresponding angles of congruent triangles. And MOR congruent to angle NOR. Again same reason, corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Now MRO congruent to NRO. MRO congruent to NRO. That means this angle is congruent to this. This implies that this is bisector of angle MRN. Therefore, we can say that segment OR is bisector of angle MRN. बरोबर आहे? आता इथे हा अँगल याला कॉन्ग्रुएंट दाखवला. याचा अर्थ काय? हा पण बायसेक्टर आहे, राईट? म्हणून याचा अर्थ सेगमेंट OR is bisector of angle MON. झालं हे जे हिडन होतं आपलं ते प्रूव्ह झालं, आणि ऑटोमॅटिकली हे प्रूव्ह झालं म्हणून हे प्रूव्ह होतं. अँड देअरफॉर वी कॅन से दॅट सेगमेंट OR it bisects angle MRN as well as angle MON. Number 4. What is the distance between two parallel tangents of a circle having radius 4.5 centimeter? Justify your answer. See here, this is circle having center O, and let L and M are two tangents and these tangents are parallel, and let tangent L intersect at point P and tangent M intersect at point Q. Then we have to find distance between this parallel tangent. What we have to find? To find distance between two parallel tangents. Parallel tangents. Now see here, this distance, by observation, this distance is diameter. Diameter is the distance between two parallel tangents. Between two parallel tangents. Because these tangents intersect at one point. Tangents. And therefore, diameter is equal to, we have radius, diameter is equal to 2 into radius, that is 2 into 4.5, that is 9 centimeter. इथे जर हे tangents parallel नसते तर असं एक हा आणि हा, जसं आता ओ पी आणि ओ क्यू असे झाले असते, बरोबर आहे. म्हणजे हे पी ओ क्यू हे काय झाले असते, नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट झाले असते. पण काय झालं की हा टँजंट कसं झाला, आता हा जर मी इकडे पॅरलल दाखवला तर त्यामुळे हे काय झालं, हे डायमीटर झालं. and diameter will be the distance between two parallel tangents of a circle. Let's see another method. Here OP is radius and line L is tangent, and therefore segment OP is perpendicular to line L. We have seen this theorem, tangent theorem. And OQ is radius and M is tangent, and therefore OQ is perpendicular to line M. Let us take 2 points like this. So segment OP is perpendicular to line PR, right? And segment OQ is perpendicular to line QS, reason tangent theorem. Then here angle OPR plus angle OQS is equal to 90 plus 90, it is equal to 180. Suppose this is statement 1. Now observe this figure. We have line L is parallel to line M, right? This is given. Now if PQ is transversal, then we can say that QPR plus PQS is equal to 90 plus 90 is equal to 180, because these, when lines are parallel, interior angles are supplementary. Now QPR is what? It is OPR. आणि PQS काय आहे? OQS आहे. हे किती होईल? परत हे पण 180. म्हणजे बघा हे जे दोन स्टेटमेंट आहे ते सारखे आहेत आणि म्हणून आपण याचा these are the same angles with different names, आणि म्हणून आपण असं म्हणू शकतो की POQ, these points are collinear, and when points are collinear then PQ is equal to PO plus OQ, and we know that PO is radius, OQ is radius, आणि म्हणून इथे काय म्हणू आपण 4.5 plus 4.5, that is 9 centimeter, and therefore distance between two parallel tangents is equal to 9 centimeter. In this way also you can solve. This is second method.